Hello, friends. Today we are celebrating Christmas. Jesus lived an exemplary life, and we should try to follow the same. Her teachings assures us salvation, harmony, good health, and life. We should always seek the path shown by Jesus. That is the only way on to live and enjoy life here on the earth and beyond. Life is like a roller coaster ride. You will always see ups and downs. We all should stay together in happiness and as well as in sorrow. Together as a family, let us thank Jesus for the food and happiness he brought in our life.
Happy Christmas. God bless you.
A very pleasant morning to Reverend Father Frijo, manager of the St. Mary's School Vidisha, galaxy of intellectuals, well-wishers, teachers and my lovely students. At the outset, let me wish you greeting and blessing of newborn baby. Christmas is the season of love, harmony, sharing of the gifts and feeling with one another. This festival celebrated by everybody, big and small, rich and poor, with great joy, happiness and family get together. Christmas 2020 has changed the face of the earth and idea of the humanity. It has impact more severely on people around the world who are already seriously disadvantaged in terms of poverty and lack of access to health care. Although we have faced with difficult challenges in our own lives, let us not forget the need for solidarity with our brothers and sisters who are suffering throughout the world. My dear friends, as we know the situation around us, we would become a Santa Claus for someone who really need our help. A gift as small as a blanket or warm food might cheer them up. Children can make old people happy just by talking to them and cheering them up. Altogether, we can make this world a better place to live in. I wish you a glittery, sparkly and joyous Christmas. May you end this year with smile and welcome the new year 2021 with hope and happiness. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
हैप्पी क्रिसमस। आज हम क्रिसमस मना रहे हैं। इस उपलक्ष्य में हमें एक ही चीज़ याद रखना है, ईसा मसीह का जन्म गौशाले में चरनी में हुआ। आज हमारी ज़िंदगी किस हालत में भी हो, किस मौके पर भी हो, या हमारा जन्म कहीं भी हुआ हो, किस प्रांत में हुआ हो, लेकिन अगर हम कठिन मेहनत कर सकते हैं, अपने परिश्रम से हम आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। आज ईसा मसीह के नाम हर कोई जानते हैं, हर दुनिया के हर कोने में ईसा मसीह के नाम जानते हैं। एक चरनी में जन्मा बालक मसीह के रूप में इस दुनिया में आया, तो हम इससे बेहतर जगह पे जन्मे हैं, बेहतर प्रांत पे जन्मे हैं, तो हमें भी अच्छे कार्य कर कर हमारा नाम इस दुनिया में रोशन कर सकता है। आप सबको क्रिसमस की ढेर सारी मुबारक। हैप्पी क्रिसमस, मेरी क्रिसमस। थैंक यू।
Christmas is celebrated with the singing of carols. Let's hear a carol by a choir group which shows their excitement.
चमका चरनी में तारा हुआ सारे जग में उजियारा। चमका चरनी में तारा हुआ सारे जग में उजियारा। चमका चरनी में तारा हुआ सारे जग में उजियारा। चमका चरनी में तारा हुआ सारे जग में उजियारा।
recall the birth of Jesus Christ. So now our students are going to show you the glimpse of birth of Jesus Christ by presenting a beautiful skit.
A long time ago, in the town of Nazareth, lived a young woman named Mary. Mary did her course, was kind to others, and loved God very much. She was engaged to be married to Joseph, who was a carpenter. Angel appears to Mary.
Hail Mary, full of grace. God has sent me as He has found favor with you. You will have a baby and are to give him the name Jesus.
How it can be possible?
The Holy Spirit will come upon you and you will bear a son.
I am God's servant.
What happened to you, Mary? Why did you do this to me? I will not marry her. I will leave her.
Joseph, don't be afraid to take Mary as your wife. She is with God's Son, and you will name him Jesus.
It took many days to reach Bethlehem. When they arrived, Mary was very tired. They needed to find a place to stay.
What do you want?
May we have a room, please?
We are full. Go away. What do you want?
May we have a room, please?
I have no room at the inn, but you can stay at stable.
मोहब्बत का बादशाह मोहब्बत बन के आया, मोहब्बत का बादशाह मोहब्बत बन के आया।
रोशनी का खुदा रोशनी बन के आया,
खुदा ने इस जहान से इतना प्यार किया, पापों से छुड़ाने अपना बेटा दे दिया।
जो है बेआस उनकी आशा बन के आया, जो है बेआस उनकी आशा बन के आया।
आशा के दीप जलाने प्यार से दुनिया महकाने, फूलों को राह दिखाने सबको खुदा से मिलाने।
लाया उस पर जो ईमान उसने जीवन पाया, लाया उस पर जो ईमान उसने जीवन पाया।
Undoubtedly, it was a beautiful skit done by our students, and along with that, the dance performance by our students was amazing. It has thrilled our hearts, and I hope your hearts too. So now, for the next carol song, Christmas, as we all know that Christmas is all about celebration, and now play and make a good cheer because Christmas comes once in a year. So a big round of applause for Over Nada Koi group, and they are going to perform the very good and the very beautiful song. So let's welcome them.
यीशु पैदा हुआ। आनंद खुशियाँ आई जगत में यीशु के आने से, ज्योति मुक्ति आई जगत में यीशु के आने से। आनंद खुशियाँ आई जगत में यीशु के आने से, ज्योति मुक्ति आई जगत में यीशु के आने से। मुक्तिदाता आया, हो मुक्तिदाता आया, हो मुक्तिदाता आया। झूमो नाचो खुशी से आज यीशु पैदा हुआ। 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 यीशु पैदा हुआ, हो यीशु पैदा हुआ, हो यीशु पैदा हुआ। झूमो नाचो खुशी से आज 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 यीशु पैदा हुआ।
So now this is the time for another eye-catching dance performance, so which is a fusion dance, and it is a formalized type of dance performance which is highly formal and mass in its own vocabulary. So let's welcome our dance performers once again. So undoubtedly, the movements of our performers were quite thrilling and were quite amazing, and I hope that you liked it too. So now, as we are just going to end it up, so here I am to conclude the function. And is Christmas a season of joy, love, and peace? Let's forget the pain, hatred, fear, and worry, and all the negative things that happened this year, because this year was really troublesome. We have seen a lot of pain, and we have seen a big change in our lifestyles also. So it happened, and not just for this day, but for forever. It's time to move on, and forever a day. God, thank you for all the blessings this year. So peace and love, everyone, and I wish a very happy new year to all of you in advance, and Merry Christmas too. Thank you.